Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook stuffed mushrooms. First, select fresh cremini or white button mushrooms for the best flavor and texture. Next, gather all your ingredients, including breadcrumbs, your favorite cheese, and fresh herbs. Before you begin, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit to ensure it's ready for baking. This initial preparation sets the stage for a delicious appetizer. Now, let's create the flavorful filling. Gently remove the stems from your mushrooms and finely chop them. In a pan, sauté these chopped stems with aromatics such as minced garlic and diced onion until softened. Once cooked, combine this savory mixture with breadcrumbs, your chosen cheese, and a blend of seasonings. This combination forms the heart of your stuffed mushrooms. With your filling ready, it's time to stuff and bake. Generously fill each mushroom cap with the delicious mixture, ensuring they are well packed. Carefully arrange the stuffed mushrooms on a baking sheet, leaving a little space between each one. Bake them in your preheated oven for 15 to 20 minutes or until they are golden brown and tender. They will smell amazing. Once baked, your stuffed mushrooms are ready to be enjoyed. Serve them immediately as a delightful appetizer or a flavorful side dish. For an extra touch, garnish with fresh chopped parsley or a light sprinkle of grated Parmesan cheese. They are perfect for any gathering. And for more great deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check out the links in the description below. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.